Now we need some way to get him to open his mouth.
No problemo.